Today I'm going to show you how to access Tutor.com through Canvas. You will need to sign in to your Canvas account. Once you are signed in, please select Help and Resources on the left-hand side. Then select Student Tools and Resources. On the left-hand side in the course navigation menu, click Tutor.com. Let's listen as Tutor.com representatives walk us through getting started.
Getting to know Tutor.com's Leo platform for higher education. Lesson 1. Connect with a tutor now. Want to connect with an online tutor right now? Connect to Tutor.com through your school's learning management system or platform, such as Canvas, Brightspace, Blackboard, or however you log in. Click Connect Now. Choose your language. Select your topic and the subject you would like to cover in your session. Let us know whether you would like to connect with your tutor by text chat or by text chat together with voice. Tell your tutor about what you need help with. You can also upload files, such as a worksheet or your professor's instructions. Click Submit. We'll connect you, fast, with an expert tutor who can help you work through your questions. It's quick, helpful, encouraging, and free. Try Tutor.com today.
If you have any questions, please email us at academiccoaching@nwtc or call us at 920-498-5639.